Need to share a note with a friend, family member, or coworker? The Notes app on your iPhone makes it easy to send a copy of your notes or collaborate with others in real time. Whether you are sharing a grocery list, meeting notes, travel plans, or a checklist, you can do it in just a few taps. In this video, I will show you how to share notes on your iPhone, invite others to collaborate, and stop sharing a note if you no longer want others to access it. Let's get started. Before we begin, here are a few things you should know. You can share a note as a copy or invite others to collaborate. Collaboration requires iCloud Notes to be enabled. Everyone collaborating on a note can make changes if they have editing permission. You can control who has access and whether they can edit or only view the note. You can stop sharing a note at any time. Here's how to share a note. If you simply want to send someone a copy of your note, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Open the note that you want to share. Tap the share button in the upper right corner. Choose an app such as Messages, Mail, AirDrop, or any other sharing option. Select the recipient and send the note. The recipient will receive a copy and any changes you make afterward won't be reflected in their version. If you want multiple people to edit and collaborate on the same note together, open the Notes app. Open the note you want to collaborate on. Tap the share button. On the share sheet, tap on where it says send a copy and select share a link if it is not selected already. Now tap on people you choose can edit. From here, you can choose who can access the note, whether more people can request access to your notes, and if new participants can edit the note or just have the permission to view and download only. Adjust these settings as needed. Choose how you would like to send the invitation, such as through Messages, Mail, or another supported app. Select the person you want to invite and send the invitation. Once they accept, everyone can work on the same note simultaneously. To manage people who have access, open the shared note. Tap the Collaborate button near the top of the screen. Here you can view everyone who has access, change permissions, copy the collaboration link, and invite additional people. You can also remove participants from here. If you no longer want others to access the note, open the shared note. Tap the Collaborate button. Tap Manage Shared Note. Tap Stop Sharing. Everyone else will immediately lose access and the note will remain in your Notes app. If you can't collaborate on a note, make sure iCloud Notes is enabled in your Apple account settings. Ensure you're sharing an iCloud note rather than an On My iPhone note. Verify that you and the recipient are signed into iCloud. Update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS and check that you have an active internet connection. And that's how you can share notes on your iPhone. Whether you're sending a simple copy or collaborating on a shared note with others, Apple Notes makes it easy to stay organized and work together in real time. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to iOS Hacker, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.